It's starting to slow down here now. It's just kind of flurrying. We've got the payloader in here. He's pretty much got everything all cleaned up. The sun is kind of trying to come out from behind the clouds. It's getting kind of bright. It's actually hard to see out here with all the white, and it's starting to lighten up. But yeah, I'm not sure how much we got in total. You look on the bumper there, there's 8-10 inches anyway. Yeah, probably 10 inches. So I'll clean this thing off, flash it up, burn around a little bit in it. Pretty neat. Well, dig this out. There you go. All right. That was a pretty good time. Good way to spend a break, burning around in this thing. I did notice though, one thing that was an issue. You might have noticed it too when I was pulling those donuts. I had a wheel locking. It would switch sides because this is an open diff, right? So I'm not sure whatever it was binding it up. It must be like ice or something in there. So I must have some water in my diff. And yeah, because it was binding up one side or the other. So I'm gonna have to drain the fluid out and check that, because that was kind of messed up. But it was doing it in 2-wheel drive, and then when I put it in 4-wheel drive, you could hear it binding up too, like catching. So it's obvious that it wasn't metal, or otherwise we'd have some serious issues. It wouldn't have unbound until I backed up. So it must be just water in the diff. I can't remember the last time I changed the oil in that. It's probably been a year or two. On top of that, the axle seals leak. The driver's side worse than the passenger side. Like I mentioned in the previous video, if it's tipped on its side on an angle, you'll get fluid running out of that side. So anyway, I'll pop the cover off of it, drain the fluid out, put some fresh stuff in her. But yeah, that was a good time. Maybe we'll do something else on the next break. See you in the next video.